Good morning. My name's Paul, and my Jeep is called the Appalachia. My page on YouTube is called Preparation Overland. I'm preparing to do a 2-month overland trip up into the Utah, Wyoming, Colorado region for a couple months. We live in Florida. Right now it's about 90 degrees and it's only 10:30 in the morning. Anyhow, I wanted to talk to you today about my I have a Wi-Fi booster up on the top. Excuse me, I say Wi-Fi booster too much. It's called a cellular booster, and it's made by WeBoost, and it's their most recent 5G compatible. I lay it down when I'm normally just driving around. Doesn't work real well with drive-thrus because it exceeds 9 feet. I put a Rhino rack swivel mount for the antenna up there, and it works real well. I've been real happy with it. I'm going to set this down on top of the truck roof so you can see me deploy the antenna. There's a release here that you pull out, and then you can swivel it up to the desired height. So this is how you do it, or how I do it. It's over my head, right about there. Come on. There we are. Now we're fully upright. I think that's over 9 feet. I don't recommend them on the mount. I ran it inside on my Alu cab, and currently I have it just running through the door. I will run it underneath the cab here in a few days. I have to remove all the junk out of the back seat, or the back area. I built my own rear seat delete a while back. It's about $50 in stuff, but I always have a bunch of projects going on. There's a compact fire ring, there's my jackery, there's a shitload of, sorry for my language, cables that I'm going to make when I'm building my power supply for the back of the Alu cab. This is the WeBoost amplifier. The cable on this side is the input from the antenna outside. The top cable there is power, 12 volt in, and the lower cable is the output to the transmit antenna inside the cab. Actually, it's a transceiver antenna because it not only uploads or downloads video and data, it uploads as well. So most people install their antenna somewhere on the dash close to their phone. Me, I opted to put mine up here in the center so that it feeds both my wife and I at the same time. But right now I am receiving a neg 86. As you can see, it's my 5G service with T-Mobile. I highly recommend T-Mobile. It's been a great service for me. The lower one is a network or neighborhood signal. I have no idea. Right now I'm inside of a complex of garages, so I have no idea whose signal that is. Mine, I know. Anyhow, if I change screens here and go to the speed test, I like this one very much, and do a speed test on your megabytes per second, we'll see what it reads. Currently the antenna is off. And around and around the wheel goes. Ah, oh, damn, not again. One more time. Then I start the truck and get this cold AC working in here. Still looking for a server. There it is. And our download speed is right around 65 right now. 73, 76. It's not bad for 5G. 89 is good. Now the upload signal is normally pretty close to what the download is. I've been real happy with T-Mobile. Looks like 77. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the cellular booster on, and we'll go back to the signal strength. And when it goes down lower, as it has already, neg 70 is about the lowest you can ever expect to get. Normally it seems to drop about 10 dB when it's turned on, and that's not bad. Neg 78, 77. Anyhow, I'm in a stationary position, so the signal won't change a whole lot. If you turn one of this app on, it's called Network Cell Info Lite. It's phenomenal for driving down the road. You can see how your signal jumps all over the place. Anyhow, we're going to change back to the network speed. Oops, sorry. Right there. And we're going to try it again. See if the signal is going up. It doesn't always go up a lot, but the signal quality seems to get a lot better. Doing real good. Oh, there it is. 110, 112, 13, 16, 120. Wow, this is doing real good. 133, 134. Download. Upload is, well, let's see. It's getting real close to 95 megabytes per second. 93. No, 94 it says. If you want to compare them, the top one is with the signal on, 134 download, 94.1 upload, and with the cellular booster off, it's 89.5 download and 78 upload. So that's pretty fair. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you all this. I thought this was really good. Have no idea what it's going to be like up in the mountains of Utah, but I will probably do a follow-up later. I hope you all have a great day, and please excuse the mess in the back of the truck. And I don't do these videos very often, so my quality is not there yet. Maybe better later. Thank you anyhow. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.